Hello guys, so welcome to Mentor 3 Dimension. So we are going to continue with the character modeling as we have started. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, as you can see over here, I have started with the modeling of this character. So I have just blocked it. So let's continue it. So now what I'll be doing is I'll just go into it and I'll be modeling the hand. So before modeling the hand, I'll slightly just resize it and I'll just push it slightly behind. Select the vertices, drag it over here and place it in this way. Now again I will select the faces and let's extrude it down. Select the vertices and I'll place it in this way. So we are going to model it in this way. So make sure you're not just directly extruding it. So it is going to, so there is a method. So this is a method how you're going to extrude the faces. So again, I'll select the faces and again I will extrude it down and I'll slightly rotate it. Let's go into the vertices. Again, extrude it down in this way. So I think the size looks a bit bigger. So I'll slightly resize it. So I'll select the faces and I'll slightly just resize it. So we are into the blocking stage. So again, I'll go into the mesh and I'll just add a loop over here. Select the vertices. I'll slightly drag it. Select this. Slightly drag it a bit inside. So now if you go over here and see now, it is going to look like this. So now what I'll do over here is like, again I'll select the faces and slightly I'll go into the extrude and we have an option called offset over here. I'll slightly offset it. So once you offset it, now I'll extrude it by pressing shift. Again I will drag this, scale this, keep on extruding it, extrude it till here. So now if you go over here and you select the vertices, now what I'll do is we can slightly rotate our hand if needed. So if you look at it, the hand looks so big over here. So I'll slightly resize this, slightly will keep on resizing it. Okay. And make sure the hand is a bit rotated. Slightly I'll rotate this. Still we can make it a bit smaller. So ultimately when you're going to smoothen it, we'll add some loops over here. So again I'll go into it and I'll add a loop. So as you can see, we can just define that. Now let's select this. I'll press insert over here. and I'll rotate it. I'll slightly rotate a hand. So again, I'll go over here and press E and rotate options. And I can go into this, make it relative as 45. We can slightly rotate it in the axis you want. Okay, before that, I'll add a loop here as well. So we can just rotate it from here actually, not the full hand. In the back axis, this is okay. So I'll select this and I'll adjust this. So I can just adjust it correctly. Instead of that, I'll rotate it in the front axis. So you can rotate it in any of the axis. If you rotate it in front, that is also okay. So we'll just keep on adjusting it. Now, what I can do over here is like, I can slightly keep on adjusting it in this way. Now, so I'll just keep on adjusting it. The vertices over here. So we'll definitely make it more thinner. So if it is looking a bit thicker, we can definitely adjust that. So I'll be pushing it a bit inside. This looks better now. You can push this a bit out. This can go down, this can go up. So keep on adjusting all this. Okay. So we'll slightly resize this still if needed. This looks better. Again, I'll go over here and I will add a edge loop here as well. Again, I'll select this, select the vertices, and we can scale it if needed. Again, I'll go into the rotate options and I'll reset this so I can easily scale it if needed. All right. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So thanks for watching this tutorial.